In this video, you will get to know about what is hair fall, sign and symptoms, cause of hair fall, role of vitamins and treatment. So let's get started. What is hair fall? Hair fall is also known as hair loss. In medical term, it is also known as alopecia or baldness. It refers to a loss of hairs from the part of the head or from the body. Typically, at least the head is involved. The severity of hair loss can vary from a small area to the entire body. On our scalp, there are about 10 to 15 lakh hair follicles, and every day we lose some hairs. Lifespan of each follicle strand is approximately about 2 to 3 years. Research has shown that a person can lose up to 20 to 80 hairs per day, which is quite normal. But losing more hairs can cause bald spots to appear on a man's head. In case of a woman, there is a thinning of the hair on the top of her head. Hair fall is not a life-threatening condition, but it can seriously lower the confidence of the man and woman. Men, women, and even children can experience hair loss. This condition occurs generally as a result of hormonal changes, hereditary, medical condition, or an side effect of some medications. However, hair loss due to hereditary reason is the most common cause of hair fall. What are the signs and symptoms of hair fall? They are very simple, like hair falling out in clumps or patches, thinning of hair becoming brittle and breaking easily, thinning of beard. These are the common signs and symptoms of hair fall. Causes of hair fall. Hair fall is most commonly prevalent in people who have had a family history of hair loss. Genetics play a huge role in this. Some hormones also trigger hair loss, which usually begins during puberty. Other factors such as traumatic events, surgeries, and major illness can also trigger acute hair fall. In such cases, hair starts growing back on its own after some time. Temporary hair loss can be caused due to menopause, sudden discontinuation of birth control pills, childbirth, and hormonal changes due to pregnancy. Sometimes, severe medical condition can also cause hair loss, such as scalp infection, alopecia areata, or thyroid disease. Many times, hair fall can also be triggered by the use of medicines, specially used to treat heart problem, depression, arthritis, high blood pressure, and especially cancer. Emotional or physical shock can also trigger hair loss, such as high fever, extreme weight loss. There are a few other causes through which the hair loss occurs. One of the major causes is hormonal changes. Abnormal androgen level may cause hair to fall as well. Other hormonal changes like thyroid imbalance, high testosterone, dihydrosterone imbalance, PCO, insulin resistance, estrogen dominance, and high cortisol. Micronutrient deficiencies can also cause hair fall. Micronutrients like vitamin B12, biotin, iron, zinc, silica, and lack of protein. Hereditary. Genes from parents can increase the chance of person having hair fall. Drugs. Drugs like blood thinners, especially cancer treatment drugs, birth control medications, and beta blockers may lead to hair fall as well. Cosmetics. Procedures like hair dyes, bleaching, and over the use of shampoos can also lead to thinning of hair, making it brittle and weak. Braiding hair tightly using hot rollers also cause hair breakage and damage. However, they do not lead to baldness. Vitamins play an essential role in growth of hairs. Deficiency in vitamins may cause numerous problems related to hair fall. Deficiency of niacin or vitamin B3 leads to hair fall. If you have deficiency of vitamin D in the body, it affects the growth of hair. Researches show that the people with hair fall have low levels of vitamin D as compared to other people. Vitamin D plays a major role in stimulating a new and old hair follicles. Where there is not enough vitamin D in your system, new hair growth can be stunted. Vitamins are good to prevent hair loss. Nutritional deficiency leads to hair loss, and vitamin intake is the best way to prevent it. The best vitamins are vitamin B. One of the chief vitamins in hair growth is vitamin B, also called biotin. It helps in creation of RBCs and carry oxygen nutrients to the scalp. Vitamin C. It is a powerful antioxidant which prevents against oxidative stress caused by free radicals, a protein called collagen which is important for hair growth. This vitamin helps absorbing necessary minerals for hairs. Vitamin D. It is a major factor for hair growth which helps to create new follicles. Vitamin D play a crucial role in the hair production. Treatment. Guys, however, there are many treatments available regarding hair fall, starting from your grandmother tricks to the modern science surgeries. But in this video, I am going to recommend you a German based homeopathic medicine R89. In the treatment of hair fall, one must know that the root cause of his or her hair fall, whether it is due to genetic problem or nutritional deficiency or due to hormonal changes and so on. But 90% of people are facing problem in finding their cause of hair fall and hence fails to get right treatment. Now why I am recommending you R89? Because it works excellent in every condition of hair fall no matter what the cause is. It is a German based medicine of R group and the number is 89 of Requick brand. What you have to do: take 20 drops of this medicine in 1/4 cup of water. Water should be of room temperature and drink immediately. Take this 3 times a day and do not eat anything for 30 minutes. Guys, continue this medication for at least 6 months. You will definitely get results. Remember one thing, any treatment regarding hairs takes time because the mechanism of our body do not allow anything to pass easily to our scalp. That is why have patience, be regular with medicine and see getting your hairs back. Some common mistakes to avoid. Guys, we do some common mistakes in our daily life unconsciously which lead to hair damage and hair fall, like hot hair shower, using of harsh shampoos, soaps, cosmetic products like aerosols, gels and wax on hair. Guys, if we use this product on daily basis, they lead to hair fall. And do not let your hair have direct exposure to sunlight for long period of time. Avoid junk food as much as possible. Now, some important tips for your healthy hairs. Do meditation to get relief from stress and have healthy food in your diet. Massage your scalp with coconut oil or you can use castor oil as well. So guys, if you find this video valuable, then please send this video to at least 3 people who you want to see healthy. That's all for today. Time to signing off.